Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session 6 of chapter number 3, playing with numbers. In this session we will study about common factors and common multiples, and one NCERT exercise also will complete. So let us start with the common factors. Okay. Now what are the factors of 4 and 18? So let me ask about the factors of 4. Aditya, what are the factors of 4?
1,
Hmm?
2,
Hmm?
4.
4. Very good. 1, 2, and 4. Geetam, what are the factors of 18?
Sir,
Hmm?
1,
Hmm?
1, 2,
Right?
1, 2, 3,
Right?
6,
Very good.
9,
Right? And
18.
18. 18. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Can you find out some common factors between these two numbers?
Sir?
Can you find out the common factors between these two numbers?
Sir, common factors are 1 and 2.
Right, very good. So the numbers 1 and 2 are the factors of both 4 and 18. So they are common factors of 4 and 18. Okay. So now let us see another two numbers. Let us consider another two numbers, 4 and 15. So what are the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay, fine. Now see these two numbers, two factors. 4 के factors और 15 के factors को देखो. If you observe carefully these two list of factors, what are the number common?
1.
Only
Sir,
one. Okay, fine.
1 is
So
common.
these two numbers have only one as a common factor, right? So we'll see. We'll consider another two numbers, 7 and 16. Okay. So what are the factors of 7? 1, 7. What are the factors of 16?
1,
1,
1, comma 2,
2,
comma
4.
4,
Yes.
comma 6, 8,
8, 8, not 6, 8,
comma 16.
16. Very good. Okay, now what is the common factors between these two?
Sir, only 1 is
Only
common.
one, right? These two numbers have only one as the common factor. Okay, so that such numbers are called co-prime numbers. Already we have seen co-prime numbers in prime and composite session, right? So two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. So thus 4 and 15 and 7 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Okay,
Co-prime.
right. So now let us see another examples. Are 715, 1249, 1823 are co-prime numbers. So let us start with the 7. So the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Just now we have seen. And the factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. ये भी अभी देखे थे. Now what are the common factors between these two?
Sir, only 1 and
Right.
they are co-prime.
Very good. Okay. So these two numbers
Sir,
have only
co-prime.
one as a common factor. So thus 7 and 15 are co-prime numbers. Right. So now we'll move toward the next 12 and 49. So what are the factors of 12? Muthu Prabha,
Yes, sir.
factors of 12.
1,
Very good.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Right.
4, 6, and 12.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. Now 49. What are the factors of 49? Kalim,
1,
right? 7,
3,
7, 3 से डिवाइड
7.
नहीं होता 49. 7 and 49. Okay. 1, 7, 49. Now what are the common factors between these two?
Only 1.
Only one. Very good. So these two numbers have only one as a common factor. So therefore these two numbers are also co-prime numbers. Now we'll move towards 18 and 23. So what are the factors of 18? Just now we have seen 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And what are the factors of 23? 23 is a prime number. So 1 and 23. Now, what are the common factors between these two?
Sir, only one
Only
and
one.
co-prime.
Yes, only one is as a common factor. So these two numbers are also co-prime numbers, right? Now coming to ye to these are the means examples of common factors of two numbers. So chalo abhi teen numbers pe dekh lete hain. Now next, can we find the common factors of 4, 12 and 16? So let us start with the 4. What are the factors of 4?
1, 2, 4.
4, very good. 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 12?
1,
1,
2,
2, 2, 3,
3,
4, 6 and 12.
3, 4, 6, 12.
And 12, very good.
12.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And the factors of 16, just now we have seen 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now what are the common factors between these three?
1 and 2.
1, 2, 3,
1,
4.
2,
1, 2, 4.
Right.
1, 2,
1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 4, 12 and 16. Now which is the largest common factor?
4.
4, right. So उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं HCF, highest common factor. That we will see in the next session. Again, 1, 2, 4 are the common factor. Out of this 1 to 4, 4 is the highest common factor. That is HCF. Okay. So now we'll see another example. 8, 12, 20. Already we have seen 12 here, same number. So what are the factors of 8?
1,
1,
2,
4, 8.
And 8, right?
4.
1, 2, 4 and 8. 12 we have already seen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 20.
1, 2,
4,
1, 2, 4,
1, 2,
5,
4, 20.
4,
1,
5,
2, 4, 5, 10.
right? Very good. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now, what are the common factors between these three lists?
1, 2, 4.
Right.
1,
1,
2,
2
4.
and 4. Clearly, 1, 2, 4 are the common factors of 8, 12 and 20. Now, here also, 4 is the highest common factor, right? So, 4 is the HCF of these three numbers. I already told you that HCF हम लोग brief में next sessions में देखेंगे. Right. Now coming to another example, 9, 15, 21. So the factors of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. What are the factors of 21? Aditya?
1,
Hmm?
3,
Hmm?
7,
Okay.
21.
Very good. 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now out of this three list, which is what are the common factors?
1 and 3.
Right. 1 and 3 are the common factors. Now out of 1 and 3, which is the highest?
3.
So 3 is the HCF of 7, 9, 15 and 21. Right. So now we'll move toward the next topic, common multiples. Common factors का काफी examples हो गया. Now common multiples. So what are the multiples of 4 and 6? So let us start with the multiples of 4. 4 का multiples, Muthu Prabha,
Yes, sir.
multiples of 4,
4,
right?
8,
Yes.
12, 16,
बोलते जाओ. 20,
25,
24,
30,
24, 20, 24,
24,
28,
28,
32, 36, so on. Okay, fine. Now, Virat, multiples of 6.
Yes, sir. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 36, 42.
Okay, so on. 42, so on. Right. Now, can out of this, are there any numbers which occurs in both the list?
12, 12,
12. Any other number?
24.
Right.
24.
अभी
That's
फिलहाल यहाँ पे हम लोग के पास दो नंबर्स कॉमन दिख रहे हैं, 12 24. अगर 24 के बाद भी अगर कुछ नंबर्स हम लोग और आगे बढ़ाते
36.
हैं,
Sir, 36.
right,
36.
wait, 32, 36, so on. So we observe that 12, 24, 36 are the multiples of both 4 and the common multiples. Okay, are yes, multiples of both 4 and 6. Right. So can you write few more?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the next number? ये क्या है? What are these numbers?
48.
These are
48.
multiple of 12.
Sir,
48.
48. Very good. 48 के बाद
48.
next number after 48? 60.
60.
Very good.
64.
60. 60.
60.
Okay, fine. So these are called common multiples of 4 and 6. Okay. So now we'll see one more example. Find the common multiples of 3, 5 and 6. So multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. कौन बोलेगा? चलो बोलो.
3, 6, 9,
4,
12,
3.
18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Okay, fine. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, so on. Now multiples of 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 45,
Okay, fine.
50.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, so on. Now multiples of 6 we have already seen here. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, so on. Now can you find some common multiples? इसमें, इस लिस्ट में, तीनों लिस्ट में कुछ कॉमन दिख रहा है?
Sir, 30.
No, sir.
Yes, 30. One is 30.
36.
30. One is
Sir,
30.
6.
Wait.
30.
One is 30. So definitely the next number will be multiple of 30, that is 60. उसके बाद फिर 90. Is that clear? जो भी फर्स्ट मल्टीपल यहाँ पे कॉमन मल्टीपल दिख रहा है, उसके सारे मल्टीपल्स कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होंगे 3, 5, 6 के. आई रिपीट वंस अगेन. सी, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल मिला था 12. सो 12 के सारे मल्टीपल्स कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होंगे 4 and 6 के. सो यहाँ पर भी फर्स्ट जो है कॉमन मल्टीपल्स मिला है 30. सो 30 के सारे मल्टीपल्स जो है वो इन तीनों नंबर्स के कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होंगे, where 30 is the smallest common multiple, and the term which is given to the smallest common multiple is LCM, right? LCM का full form lowest common multiples. Okay, so that also we will take up in the next sessions. तो यहाँ पे कंसेप्ट क्लियर है? जो सबसे छोटा, सबसे पहला कॉमन मल्टीपल है उसको LCM बोलते हैं, right? Okay, now we'll take up some examples. So first examples. Find the common factors of 75, 60 and 210. So the factors of 75 को हम लोग 1 into 75 लिख सकते हैं, 3 into 25, 15 into 5, बस. So 6 factors होंगे, 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. 60, how can you write 60? First, 1 into 60, 2 into
3,
2 into 30, 3 into
20,
right, 3 into 20 and 4 into
15.
15 or 5 into
12.
12. Very
12.
good. Okay, 5 into 6 into
10.
10.
10.
Okay, 6 के बाद जो अगला नंबर है वो 12 आ जाएगा, तो रिपीट हो गया. So we'll stop here. Okay, 15, 20 भी आएगा यहाँ पे. 20 is also factor, right? So 20 यहाँ पे छूट गया, right? Okay. Now factors of 210. How can you write 210? 1 into 210. 2 into 105. Okay, 3 into 70. 5 into 42, 6 into 35, 6 into 35, 7 into 30, 8 से 9 से 10 से डिवाइड होगा, 10 into 21,
यस सर,
बस 14 into 15, उसके बाद 15 into 14 रिपीट हो गया. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 10, 14, 15, 21, 30, 35, 42, 70, 105, 210. बहुत बड़ा लिस्ट है, राइट. अब ये तीनों लिस्ट में कॉमन फैक्टर्स वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई.
3, 6, 9, 12,
Start with 1.
15.
You start with 1. 1,
3.
3. Very good. Next common.
3, 6,
5.
5. Next common.
15.
15. बस हो गया. 1, 3, 5, 15. इसमें से हाईएस्ट कौन सा फैक्टर है?
15.
15. So 15 को बोलेंगे हम लोग HCF of 75, 60 and 210. Right? HCF we have not started. I told you that we will take up in the next sessions. Right? अब एक common multiples का example ले लेते हैं. Find the common multiples of 3, 4 and 9. So first we will write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. These are the multiples of 3. Now we'll write the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Now we'll write multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81. Now we have to find the common multiples out of these three. Common multiples. सबसे पहला common multiple कौन सा है? First
1.
common multiples. I think 36 मिला. 36 से पहले और कोई नहीं है. Right. So 36 is the first common multiple. So जितने भी common multiples होंगे 36 के multiples होंगे. So 36 के बाद 72, 72 के बाद 108, 108 के बाद 144. So वो सारे common multiples होंगे. And what is the least common multiple here? Lowest?
36.
36. So 36 को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? LCM. Okay. So these are the examples. Now we are moving towards one. Try this question. Okay. Find the common factors of 8, 20. So 8 के factors हम लोग already देख चुके हैं. 1, 2, 4 and 8. And 20 का factors भी already देख चुके हैं. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So what are the common factors between these two?
1, 2, 4.
Right. 1, 2 and 4. Okay. Now 9 and 15. Factors of 9. 1,
1,
3
1.
and 9. Factors of 15.
1.
1, 3,
6 नहीं है यहाँ पे. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now the common factors are only 2, that is 1 and 3. Okay. चलो अब हम लोग एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करेंगे. एक्सरसाइज 3.3. First question. Find the common factors of first bit 20 and 28. So what are the factors of 20? 1, 2,
1, 2, 4,
5,
1, 2, 4, 5.
10 and 20. Okay. 28 के factors बताओ जल्दी. 1,
1,
2,
2,
4, 7.
4, 5.
अच्छा एक मिनट. I will ask in that way. 28 how will you write the product of two numbers? मैं first बोल रहा हूँ 1 into 28. Second 2 into 14. 4 into
7.
7. Right. उसके बाद 7 आ जाएगा तो रिपीट हो गया. तो 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now what are the common factors between these two?
So
1, 2, 4.
Right. 1, 2 and 4. Right. This is the first bit. Now we'll move toward the second question. 15 and 25. So 15 how will you write? 1 into 15. Another way?
3 into 5.
Very good. So 1, 3, 5 and 15. 25, 1 into 25 and 5 into 5 repeated. So 1, 5, 25. Now common factor बताओ जल्दी से.
1 and 5.
Right. Very good. 1 and 5. So अब next question पे आ रहे हैं हम लोग 35 and 50. So what are the factors of 35? 35 how will you write?
1
1
into 35.
1 into 35. Second.
5 into
5
7.
into 7.
Yes, 5 into 7. बस इतना ही होगा. 1, 5, 7, 35. 50. 50 you can write 1 into 50.
2
Second.
into 25.
Very good.
25.
2 into 25. Very good. 5 into
3 into 15.
10.
5 into 10. बस उसके बाद सीधा 10 into 5 आएगा फिर से. So 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Now what are the common factors between these two?
1 and 5.
Right, very good. 1 and 5. Chalo. Now we'll move toward the next last bit. 56 and 120. 56 how will you write? 1 into 56. सबसे पहले मैं बता दिया. चलो 2 into 28. 4 into 14. 7 into
8.
8. Right. उसके बाद फिर 8 into 7 रिपीट हो जाएगा. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. चलो 120 पे आ जाते हैं. 120 के बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं. ऑलरेडी हम लोग देखे थे. 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40. जल्दी बताओ. 5 into 24, 6 into 20, 8 into 15 and 10 into 12. फिर 12 into 10 repeat हो जाएगा. So these are the factors. Now you have to identify the common factors between these two. 1, 2,
Sir, 1 and
4, 8. Right? 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8 are the common factors. Right? So this is the first question of exercise 3.3. Now we'll move toward the second question. Find the common factors of 4, 8, 12. So first 4, 8, 12 ले लेते हैं. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4.
2, 4.
What are the factors of 8?
1,
1,
2,
2,
4.
4, 8.
Right, 1, 2, 4, 8. What are the factors of 12?
1, 2, 4, 8, 12.
नहीं 8 नहीं आएगा. एक मिनट. 1, 2. देखो 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, फिर 4 into 3 repeat हो रहा है. So that means 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 नहीं आएगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12.
Yes, sir.
Now common factors between these three list.
1 and 2.
4 भी है ना. 4 भी common है.
1, 2, 4.
Right, 1, 2, 4. चलो अभी next number पे आते हैं. Next question 5, 15 and 25. So the factors of 5 is 1 and 5 क्योंकि prime number है. Factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. And factors of 25 is 1, 5, 15. Now find the common factors.
1 and 5. 1,
Right.
5.
1 and 5. So this is the question number 2. Now we'll move towards question number 3. Find first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8. तो पहले तो 6 का multiples लिख लेते हैं. 6 का multiples है 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 42, 48, 54, so on.
54, 60.
बस. Multiples of 8. 8,
8,
16,
60, 24,
32,
32,
48.
40, so on. ठीक है. What is the first common multiple?
6, 24.
24. So I told you that if you will get first common multiple, then you can find the next multiples also. First
48.
yes 24 मिल गया तो 24 के मल्टीपल्स बोलते जाओ तो वो सारे कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होंगे 6 और 8 के, बट वी हैव टू राइट ओनली 3 कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. सो 24
96.
no 24 48 24 into 3 72 72 के बाद 96 आएगा. सो 3 लिखना है बस, ओनली 3 वी हैव टू राइट. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now 12 and 18. So multiples of 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, so on. हम लोग पूरे मल्टीपल्स क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हैं? To in only one first multiple we required. उसके बाद क्या करना है? Into 2, into 3, into 4 करते जाओ. Is that clear? यहाँ पे जैसे 24 मिला, 24 into 2, 24 into 3, बस only first multiple is very important. Now multiples of 18, 18, 36, 54, 72. अभी first common multiple बताओ.
36.
Right, very good, 36. Second होगा 36 into 2. Third होगा 36 into 3. So अभी second और third बताओ जल्दी से.
72.
72. Third
144.
108, वो फोर्थ है. 108 के बाद 144 आएगा. ओके फाइन. सो 36, 72 and 108. So these are the first three common multiples of 12 and 18. Okay, now we are moving towards the next question, fourth question. Write all the numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. तो पहले तो कॉमन 3 का मल्टीपल्स लिखना पड़ेगा. सो 3 का मल्टीपल्स है 3, 6, 9, 12,
9,
15,
12,
बस
15,
सो ऑन. हम लोग को ओनली फर्स्ट मल्टीपल चाहिए, डॉट 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 छोड़ दिया. मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 4,
4, 8,
8, 12, 16, 20, बस डैश डैश डैश, सो ऑन. नाउ व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल?
12.
12, right. So we have to start from 12, multiple of 12, 100 से कम. So 12, 24, 36,
48,
48,
48, 60,
60, very good,
72,
very good, 72,
84,
very good, 84, उसके बाद last
96,
96 last, 96 last, less than 100 only, less than 100 only बोलना है, ठीक है. Right, now we'll move towards question number 5. Which of the following numbers are co-prime number? So co-prime numbers किसको बोलेंगे? जिसमें common factor सिर्फ 1 होना चाहिए, in which only 1 is should be the common factors. So let us start with 18 and 35. So factors of 18, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Factors of 35, 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now what are the common factors between these two? What are the common factors?
1. Only 1.
Only one.
Only one.
Right. So common factors is equals to 1. Now since their common factor is 1 only, therefore these two numbers are co-primes. Any doubt? Okay.
No.
Now B bit 15 and 37. So 15, the factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. 37 is a prime number, so 1 and 37. Now the common factors are only 1. So since their common factor is only 1, therefore these two numbers are also co-primes. Right. Now let us move towards the next question, 30 and 415. So the factors of 30 is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. 415 को हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 into 415. 5 into 83, 83 is a prime number, so रुक जाएंगे हम लोग. So only 4 numbers are factors: 1, 5, 83 and 415. Now how many common factors are there?
1, 5.
Yes, 1 and 5. So common factors are 1 and 5. Since their common factors is other than 1 also, that is 5. So therefore these two numbers are not co-primes. Co-primes के लिए केवल only 1 होना चाहिए. Right. Now next, 17 and 68. 17 is a prime number, so the factors are 1 and 17. 68, how will you write 68? 1 into 68, 2 into 34, 4 into 17, बस उसके बाद 7 into 17 into 4 हो जाएगा, right? So 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. Now common factors. Common factors are
1, 17. 1
yes,
and
1 and
17.
17. So इसमें भी other than 1 एक factor आ गया, common factor 17. So therefore these two numbers are not co-prime numbers. Okay. So next 216 and 215. 216 के बहुत सारे prime factors, बहुत सारे factors हैं. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 27, 36, 54, 72, 108 and 216. So these many factors are there for 216. Now 215. 215 को हम लोग 1 into 215 लिख सकते हैं. 5 into 43. 43 is a prime number. So only 4 factors are there. 1, 5, 43, 215. Now common factors. Only 1 is a common factor. See, और कोई common factors यहाँ पे नहीं है. So that means these two numbers are also are co-prime numbers, as only 1 is a common factor for 216 and 215. Now only last bit is left, 81 and 16. So factors of 81: 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now what are the common factors? Only 1. Okay. So क्योंकि यहाँ पर भी एक ही common factor है, that is 1. So therefore these two numbers are also co-primes. Common factors 1, since their common factor is 1 only, hence the given two numbers are co-primes. So this is question number 5. Now we are moving towards question number 6. Only 2 questions are left. So let us complete both the questions. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. Right? By which other two numbers will that number be always divisible? अगर कोई नंबर 5 से भी डिवाइड हो रहा है तो उसके सारे फैक्टर से डिवाइड होंगे. If any number is divisible by 12, so that number is also divisible by all factors of 12. Right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So अभी 5 और 12 का कॉमन फैक्टर निकालेंगे हम लोग. The factors of
60.
5 is, wait, the factors of 5 is 1 and 5, and the factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And now what are the common factors between these two?
1.
Only 1.
1.
So these two numbers are co-prime numbers, right? These two numbers are co-prime numbers. So it is also divisible by their product. 60 से भी divide होगा. Okay? 5 or 12 co-prime numbers है, so that number is also divisible by their product. So that number is divisible by the factors of 60. All factors of 60. अभी 60 के factors लिखेंगे. 1 into 60, 160.
120.
6 into 2 into 30.
120.
2 into 30. 3 into 20. 4 into 15. 6 into
10.
10. 5 into 5 बच गया था. 5 into 12. Okay. So we'll get 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20 and 30 and 60. Right? Is that clear? So that number is divisible by these many numbers. Now the next question we are moving towards, question number 7. A number is divisible by 12. By which other numbers will that number is be always divisible? उसके factors हैं. So 12 के factors बताओ. Khalim,
1,
Khalim
2,
बताओ. Khalim, what are the factors of 12?
1, 2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4,
Yes. 6 and
Six.
12. Right? यहीं पे तो मैं लिखा हूँ already. Okay, fine. So, listen carefully. The number which is divisible by 12, that number is divisible by all factors of 12. So, the factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, hence the number is also divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay? 12 already दिया हुआ है. Question में already 12 दिया हुआ है. That is why I have not written 12 here. Okay, so this is the last question of today's session. So now we are moving toward the next section, assignment questions. This I will post through Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.